Hello. Sarah, hi. Ali, how are you? How are you? Ali, I am fine. Thank you. How are you? Sarah, I am fine too. I am fine too. Ali, where are you from? Where are you from? Sarah, I am from Pakistan. I am from Pakistan. Ali, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Sarah, nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. Ali, good morning, Sarah. Good morning, Sarah. Sarah, good morning, Ali. Ali, how is your day? How is your day? Sarah, my day is great. My day is great. Ali, how are you going to school? Sorry, Ali, are you going to school? Are you going to school? Sarah, yes, I am going to school. Ali, have a nice day. Have a nice day. Sarah, thank you. You too. Thank you. You too. इस तरह आप मेरे साथ पढ़ना है, ठीक है। आगे है अली, गुड मॉर्निंग सारा। सारा, गुड मॉर्निंग अली। अली, हाउ आर यू टुडे? हाउ आर यू टुडे? सारा, आई एम वेरी वेल। आई एम वेरी वेल। मैंने आपके लिए इस तरह उर्दू प्रोनाउंसिएशन भी लिखा है ताकि आप सही तरीके से समझ सके, ठीक है। आसानी के लिए मैंने ये भी बनाया, ठीक है। अच्छा, मेरे साथ पढ़ना। अली, आर यू रेडी फॉर स्कूल? आर यू रेडी फॉर स्कूल? सारा, यस, आई एम रेडी। आई एम रेडी। अली, लेट्स गो टुगेदर। Let's go together. Sarah, okay, let's go. Ali, good morning, Sarah. Sarah, good morning, Ali. Ali, how are you today? Sarah, I am very well. I am very well. Ali, are you ready for school? Are you ready for school? Sarah, yes, I am ready. Ali, let's go together. Let's go together. Sarah, okay, let's go. इस तरह आप मेरे साथ पढ़ना होगा, ठीक है। इंशाल्लाह आपके लिए इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस इंतहाई आसान होगी और जो उसका कम्युनिकेशन स्किल है या कन्वर्सेशन स्किल है, प्रोनाउंसिएशन, आप मेरे साथ पढ़ ले, ठीक है। अच्छा, आगे क्या है? आगे है अली, गुड आफ्टरनून सारा। गुड आफ्टरनून सारा। ये तो आफ्टरनून पढ़ा जाता है। सारा, गुड आफ्टरनून अली। अली, वेयर आर यू गोइंग? वेयर आर यू गोइंग? सारा, आई एम गोइंग टू लाइब्रेरी। किस तरह पढ़ जाता है ये? लाइब्रेरी, लाइब्रेरी। अली, कैन आई कम विद यू? Can I come with you? Sarah, yes, of course. Yes, of course. Ali, let's go now. Let's go now. Sarah, sure, let's go. ये किस तरह पढ़ा जाता है? Sure, let's go. आगे है अली, hello, Sarah, how was your day? How was your day? Sarah, My day was very good. My day was very good. Ali, did you finish your homework? Did you finish your homework? Sarah, yes, I finished my homework. Ali, great job. Sarah, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Ali, see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Ali, good evening, Sarah. Good evening, Sarah. Good evening, Ali. What are you doing? What are you doing? Sarah, I am reading an English book. I am reading an English book. Ali, do you like learning English? Sarah, yes, I like learning English. Ali, keep practicing every day. Keep practicing every day. Sarah, thank you for your advice. Thank you for your advice. Hello. इसके बाद है अली. Hello, Sarah, are you free now? Sarah, are you free now? Sarah, yes, I am free. Ali, can we practice English together? Can we practice English together? Sarah, yes, that's a great idea. Yes, that's a great idea. Ali, let's speak only English. Let's speak only English. Sarah, okay, I am ready. I am ready. Ali, don't worry about mistakes. Don't worry about mistakes. Sarah, thank you. I will try my best. I will try my best. Ali, good to see you again, Sarah. Good to see you again to Sarah. Sarah, good to see you too, Ali. Ali, what did you learn today? What did you learn today? Sarah, I learned some new English words. Ali, can you speak English now? Can you speak English now? Sarah, yes, I can speak a little English. Ali, excellent. Keep practicing every day. Keep practicing every day. Sarah, thank you. I will practice every day. I will practice every day. Ali. Ali, hello. Sarah, how is your English now? Ali, how is your English now? Sarah, my English is getting better. My English is getting better. Ali, do you practice every day? Do you practice every day? Sarah, yes, I practice every morning. Every morning. Ali, that is a good habit. That is a good habit. Sarah, thank you. I enjoy learning English. Ali, keep speaking with confidence. Sarah, I will. Thank you, Ali. Good morning. Good morning, Sarah. Did you sleep well? Good morning, Sarah. Did you sleep well? Sarah, yes, I slept very well. Ali, Are you feeling happy today? Sarah, yes, I am very happy. Ali, what is your plan for today? What is your plan for today? I will practice English with you. Ali, that is the wonderful. Wonderful. That is wonderful. Let's begin our English practice. Let's begin our English practice. Ali, hello Sarah, are you ready for today's English practice? Sarah, yes, Ali, I am ready. Ali, let's learn something new today. Sarah, that sounds great. That sounds great. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly, sir. Okay, I will speak slowly. Ali, very good. Your pronunciation is improving. Thank you. I will keep practicing every day. अगर आप लोगों को यही कोर्स पसंद आई हो, यही कन्वर्सेशन पसंद आई हो, तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और अपने दोस्तों को ये वीडियो भी पहुंचा दो ताकि आपको इस तरह वीडियो मिल सके। वस्सलाम।